Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we are going to review how to add custom report headers to your reports with your company logo, your information, things like that. So when you go to the reports page and you can hit show, you'll see job reports under report features, apply sales tax, different options you can add to your report. In this case, I can do show header. I'll pick my report and then hit generate report. So then from here we have our company logo and our address information. How you get to that and add that to it is hit administration, customization, and then report header. So from here I can put in what name I want, address, all that information, and then I can browse for a logo and then upload it. And so that'll give me the ability to customize that information. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to add a custom report header to your reports.